Hello, lovely people. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to take you through how I prepare my Zobo drink or Sobolo drink. And these are the ingredients that I'm using to prepare this very drink. As you can see, this is the soaked hibiscus leaf. After soaking, I'll go ahead and add all my ingredients. I have my lemongrass here. I have my prekese, hidden fruits. Then I also go ahead and add all the other ingredients here. That is my lemon leaves. I didn't get lemon, so I added the lemon leaves to my Sobolo. And I tell you, the fragrance or the aroma was so nice. Then I'll go ahead to add my pineapple peels. Yes, I don't only add the pineapple juice, I go ahead to add the peels as well because the peels also give the Zobo drink or the Sobolo drink some nice flavor. Then I'll add my cinnamon stick. Yeah, so because it is very thick, I go ahead to break it into smaller pieces. Then this is my Fobuwisa. It is very hard, so I have to grind it in my earthenware bowl. Instead of using sugar, I added dates. Yes, and this is my ginger. So I'll go ahead and blend the ginger and also add it to my drink to bring out that flavor. This is the boiled Zobo drink or Sobolo drink. Let me know where you are watching me from. So I'll go ahead to also blend the pineapple and then pour in the juice to give my Zobo or Zobo drink or Sobolo drink that's tasty and aromatic flavor. After you are done, you go ahead to strain it to get rid of all the unwanted particles from your Sobolo drink. And this is what I am doing here. After straining, this is what I got. Then I'll go ahead to pour it in my jar and it is ready to be served.